Morning, guys. So this is Samuel over here. So basically, today we'll be going on about how to make your PC run faster and how to cut down on background applications that are reducing the speed. So what we have here today is a Windows 11 slash Windows 10. I know it might confuse you guys, but it's actually a custom OS whereby they get good features from Windows 10 and add it to Windows 11, cut down on basic stock programs. Stock programs are actually how do I put it? How do I put it? Programs that run in your background that don't necessarily need to be running, and they take resources. So as much as I know you guys should already know how to use the tax manager, but if you don't, you go down to this tax bar, you click, you you see this tax manager, you click on it, then you will see your processes tab, click on it, then you see a rundown of applications or programs. I always make that mistake of calling programs applications, but they are called programs. So you click name, you see the one you're running presently. So I have Filmora here, the screen recording app. I have Adobe After Effects. I have iTop VPN Mini. I have MPC. I have Opera GX. I have my settings, Tax Manager, Windows. And if you scroll down, I have Avast. This is an Adobe background application. Anyone you see Adobe is a background Adobe application. Bonjour service. I don't know what that is. And none of them in the background are actually taking more than they actually should. Okay, we have desktop Windows Manager. Okay, basically know that that's a desktop Windows Manager. But if you see programs like you don't actually understand and it's taking more resources than it actually should, what you do is you go to there are two ways you can go about it. You can go to your browser, don't mind the tabs, guys. So you search the program. So basically, I saw I saw desktop Windows Manager. I'm going to search desktop Windows Manager. So I check what is the task. So it's click start services, click services, and then locate on what is desktop Windows Manager. So desktop Windows Manager is a process dwm.exe composite display of application Windows before drawing it to your screen. This allows Windows to add effects like transparency and live taskbar thumbnails. This process is a vital part of Windows that you cannot prevent from running. So guys, you cannot stop this from processing because basically this will crash the display of your system and you have to restart your PC. So do not close this down, and I'm not sure you can, but I think I've tried that before and it crashes. So this is at 100%, or is that, let's see what's holding it. Okay, my Opera GX and my, yeah. So in order, if you don't want to go through all this stress, so basically what I'll do is I will download an app called Advanced System Care. So Advanced System Care is an application that automatically just calculates all these apps, these programs, I mean, and you go to the speed up. Once you've installed this application, you go to the speed up and you go to, okay, you can turn this on if you want, but there used to be a panel where um okay, I think it's the startup optimizer. Yeah, I think it's startup optimizer. It's checking and checking and okay, let's configure this. It's been a while I use this application. Okay, yes, it's the configure. So we have the Windows Media Player network on the system services. You can actually shut all this down. You have non-Windows services. I don't want it to mess with my Avast services, so I want to shut that down. So that's why it didn't select it, because it knows that it's not, it was not set to do that. So the background app, there are no background apps. So Windows Touch, all this is because I've actually done this service before, so it's actually done that for me. Okay, it's finished calculating. Let's go to the manage startup items. Okay, basically all this is disabled. Then services, we have HP service, we have Intel HD control panel. This controls the graphics. I'm actually on an Intel card, that's graphic card. So we then have the next one, advanced system care enabled. This have to go on, because this is obviously the application I'm using to run the whole optimization. So basically this starts by itself and optimizes, but I don't get any background clicks. That's smart. Whatever there isn't to do that is smart. So next, this what this does is it just cuts down on the services for you, disables them. Services that it automatically knows that you don't actually need, cuts it down. And you can see the I think this is the resources it takes from the PC. I don't know how it does this calculation. Well, I don't know. So next one is schedule tasks. Basically, these are tasks that they don't pop up every time, I guess. Because I can see Apple software updates. I saw this update. I think these are update services that come up once in a while. So I can see some disabled. Why? Okay, let's go. So startup items. Okay, run through that. Let's see browser startups. IDM integration. Okay, okay. Firefox screenshots. I don't want to mess with these. I think these are what do we call extensions and things that can help the browser work better. So now this is what it's going to look like when you've already been messing with the application for a while. And yeah, I don't have much, but for you new users, so you're going to have a lot more. And that's if you are doing a lot with your PC, installing applications. Yeah, you're going to have a lot more. So this application does the calculation for you. You can turn on the boost, as you see, it does a boost and stops unnecessary programs to release RAM and boost your PC. Yeah. So that's the easier route. So you put up you guys should like leave in the comment section and tell me which is better for you guys. Yeah.